You are about to spend over $1,000 on laundry machines, and you should pause before doing so. Walking into that store without knowing the facts will lead you to spend money on technology built for an older generation instead of yours. The traditional setup features one washing machine, one dryer, and a vent hose punched through your wall, and that entire system is now outdated. Stores continue selling these sets, and brands continue pushing them on consumers, but buyers who understand appliances in 2026 have stopped purchasing them. You will likely do the same once you understand the alternatives. For decades, the routine remained completely unchanged. You wash your clothes, wait 40 minutes, drag the wet pile across the room to stuff it into the dryer, and then wait again. Leaving them in the washer overnight resulted in clothes that smelled unpleasant. Millions of people have run this exact frustrating cycle their entire adult lives, and the industry knew about this problem while continuing to sell two machines anyway. Heat pump technology is what finally changed the industry. A heat pump dryer avoids blasting hot air at your clothes the way a traditional electric dryer does. It instead pulls warm air out of your laundry, strips the moisture from it, and sends that same warm air right back in to recycle the heat. This process uses up to 50% less electricity than a standard electric dryer, saving you money on your power bill every single month. An additional benefit is that the lower drying temperature causes less damage to your clothes per cycle. Fabric fibers survive longer, meaning your wardrobe lasts longer, and this single machine actively saves you money in two distinct ways. Heat pumps alone represent only a portion of the shift. The complete shift comes from the all-in-one washer-dryer combo, which features a single drum in one machine. You simply drop dirty clothes inside, walk away, and return to fully dry clothes. This eliminates the need to move wet laundry from one machine to another, prevents you from forgetting a load, and stops a second machine from occupying half of your laundry room. These machines plug into a normal 120-volt wall outlet, matching the exact type of plug your lamp uses. You require no special wiring, no electricians, and no vent hose running through your wall, making this machine a perfect fit for apartments, small condos, and older houses with no vent access. This single machine operates through smart engineering that major brands have spent years refining, and the technology has fully arrived for 2026. The machine leading the market right now is the LG Signature 29-inch WashCombo with AIDD 2.0. LG unveiled it at CES 2026, and the appliance industry paid attention immediately, as this machine washes and dries a full load in 90 minutes. Sensors inside weigh your laundry while it runs, and scan the dirt levels to dispense the exact right amount of detergent automatically. You never need to measure a cap or guess the amount, because the machine reads the situation and handles the process completely. The wash quality performs exceptionally well in real-world use, and heat pump drying avoids scorching fabric the way traditional dryers do, so your clothes consistently come out in better shape over time. Experiencing fewer harsh heat cycles means fewer worn-out fibers, allowing this machine to clean your clothes while extending their lifespan. This provides a financial benefit you will notice over many years. If you prefer a machine with a longer, proven track record, the GE Profile UltraFast combo started this trend before LG introduced their model. It has logged more real-world use hours, and GE recently upgraded it with new colors, including sapphire blue and jade green, while adding a microband gasket to the rubber door seal. Front-loading machines have carried a reputation for growing mold in that seal after a year of use, but the GE Fix targets that problem at the source before any smell begins. This machine is specifically built to eliminate the musty front-loader odor that has frustrated owners for years. Your drying preferences dictate which of the following machines will best suit your home. Buyers wanting two separate machines while tight on floor space should consider the LG Wash Tower, which stacks a washer and dryer into one tall unit with controls positioned right in the middle where both machines meet. This setup means you never have to reach above your head to press a single button. This design choice prevents the daily frustration of fighting a traditional stacked pair where the dryer buttons sit practically at ceiling level, fixing a common annoyance. Pet owners should pay specific attention to this next machine. Regular washing machines were never designed for households with dogs or cats, as pet hair wraps around drum seals, clogs filters, and reattaches to your clean clothes on the way out. The Maytag Pet Pro system features a built-in filter engineered specifically to catch pet hair, pulling out 5 times more material than a standard washer does. This represents a measurable difference in how the filter is constructed, rather than just a marketing label. Families with animals will find this set directly addresses their specific problem in a way no other machine on this list manages to do. Budget-conscious buyers have strong options as well, with the Amana NTW 4516FW washer and its matching dryer coming in under $1,000. These machines feature no Wi-Fi connections, no touchscreens, and no sensors analyzing your detergent levels. They simply offer solid dials and a drum that gets clothes clean in a reliable and straightforward manner. Many households find this is exactly the machine they need, as not every laundry room requires a computer, and a basic machine often does the job without adding complexity to your daily routine. Certain purchases will cause you to waste money, and you should avoid them completely. You should avoid buying an old-style electric dryer if your power bill is already high. Traditional electric dryers heat a metal coil to high temperatures and blast that heat through your clothes and out a vent into the open air. This process lacks efficiency completely, meaning every single load costs you extra money, and current electricity rates in most cities make that add up fast across months and years. You should also avoid buying a standard stackable washer and dryer if you or anyone in your home has limited reach. The dryer buttons sit at the top of the stack, often well above eye level, creating a daily inconvenience that compounds into genuine frustration. Space constraints should push you toward the wash tower instead, since it offers the same small footprint on your floor, while positioning buttons in the middle where every person in the house can use them without a step stool. Ignoring this advice only benefits the retailer selling you the cheaper machine, while leaving you with the frustration. The options for 2026 are straightforward, as living in an apartment, a smaller house, or anywhere without existing vent infrastructure makes the heat pump all-in-one combo the most logical laundry decision you can make. You get a single machine using one standard wall plug that finishes loads in under 2 hours with no venting required. The LG WashCombo leads the market on raw technology and sensor capability, while the GE Profile UltraFast combo provides real-world reliability and a longer track record of satisfied users. Pet owners should choose the Maytag Pet Pro directly, and budget-focused buyers will find the Amana set gets the job done cleanly without charging for unused features. The appliance industry spent decades convincing buyers that laundry required 2 separate machines, 2 power connections, and a hole in the wall. But that argument fails the moment you watch a heat pump all-in-one operate. You now know what options are actually available, and exactly what to buy versus what to avoid. Taking this knowledge into the store allows you to ask the correct questions and purchase a machine that serves your needs for the next 10 years, rather than relying on outdated designs. The old methods are finished, and this represents the current standard for laundry appliances.